Hey guys, welcome back. Tabs McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop, and today I have a crazy thrift haul. These are all vintage style items or grandma sweaters, which you know is my favorite. So if you want to see what we're grabbing, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So happy you joined us. Today I have a cool thrift haul. These are vintage style items and some grandma style sweaters. I'm not finding as many grandpa sweaters anymore, so now I'm finding the grandma ones. Let's get this started because this is like a cool thing. So if you haven't watched my last thrift haul, I'm gonna pop it up here. This was Bolo brands and Bolo trends to watch for. Today's thrift haul is gonna be totally different. If you're not into vintage or grandma style clothing, you probably just wanna not watch, okay? Because it doesn't get any better. This is literally what I'm going to talk about for the next bit. All right, so I wanted to kick it off because I found some really cool items and I've just had really good luck. Like my husband, Jeff says, he's like, is every grandma clearing out their Northern Reflection sweaters? And I think they are. Like I literally think they are right now. First sweater up that I found, I'm actually going to do this one. It was a Woolrich sweater. It's a knit, it's a medium. But like, look at this knit design in it. The sleeves have patterns in them. There's like hearts and stuff. The back has knit design in it. Little like, I don't know, strawberries. It's like a basket full of strawberries. And there's like hearts on the butt. How stinking cute is this? And it is 100% wool. As soon as I saw this, it went straight into the cart. Next up is this Northern Reflections white colored sweater. It has just kind of like some trees and birds. This style of sweater seems to do really well, like these very neutrally color sweaters, or sorry, neutral tones. Again, I found this one. They were really good prices. All of their grandma sweaters or Northern Reflection sweaters were marked at really good prices. I grabbed a vintage Wind River fleece. I think this is considered like a half zip. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to sell this one or keep it. I think it's a great kind of outerwear layer for when we go to the mountains and something that's easy that any of us can slip on and take the dog for a walk or go outside. But I really like the Wind River line. They make some really cute outerwear. But this is more just kind of like a classic vintage style. Next up is another Northern Reflections. This is a baby blue top with blue jays on it. So pretty. Crew neck style in like practically brand new condition. I was so surprised. I love the bluebirds on it. I think it's so pretty. Can't wait to list that one. Here's another Northern Reflections one. This is an XL. I actually just sold a similar one of these last week and I think it was pink and it had these flowers on it. So I saw this, I knew it would flip again, and I grabbed it. Next up is a Tanjay, kind of like turtleneck fleece with skiers on it. Like the light on my camera just kind of fluctuates everywhere. I'm keeping this one for sure. We like to ski and snowboard, so this is close to my heart. Definitely close to my heart. Anytime I find like vintage snowmobiling, skiing, snowboarding, even golf stuff, I think I would keep. These are all sports that we're really into, and something like this I would definitely just kind of keep at the cabin. Just cute and kind of like conversation starting, I guess. All right, next piece. This is a two-piece set and I was so surprised. I got this on that day with the 50% off coupon for women's dresses and suits. It is a ribbed two-piece set. Comes with a midi skirt. Very, very cute. Why do I keep saying very trendy, very on trend right now. The size for this is, it is a plus size. Yeah, they actually don't have the size on here. So I would say it's definitely like a 1X. On the tag, they have it as a triple XL. Okay, so it gets better. So this is the skirt, ribbed, beautiful color, beautiful rich tone. And this is the duster. It's like a sweater jacket, ribbed. Look at the detail, like gold studding, a little bit of gems in there, drip down, and very long, nice long sleeves. But like how cute, the skirt with like a black tank top kind of tucked in, and then this over top. Oh man, I tried this on and I was tempted to keep it for myself because it was just so unique. I'm excited to put that one. That is a very unique style. Next up was a Penman's. This is just a cute kind of holiday red sweater. It has a sleigh with a teddy bear and some poinsettias in it. I love the color. Just nice classic grandma style sweater. Very festive holiday season. Not sure how that one's gonna do because we've kind of like passed Christmas, but I'm hoping if I can get it listed right away, it'll just sell because it's that winter vibe. Next up, this is one of those items I always grab. So not necessarily vintage, but this is a hand knitted and it is a Fair Isle sweater. Very thick. I like to call these like fisherman sweaters is what they remind me of. You could wear this literally as a jacket and they're so good at protecting you from the weather because they are wool and they're knit. There's no tags in this one. Actually, I can't even confirm that this is a wool knit one. Could just be an acrylic yarn, but to me it definitely has like a wool feel to it. Let's hold it up one more time. Beautiful brown colors, neutral tones. This would be so cute with like a beanie, dark jeans, and a pair of Sorel boots. Very trendy for the year. Next up, this isn't necessarily a vintage one, but it was a Lake Louise Banff fleecy, and I'm thinking someone grabbed it when they were in the Banff National Park, but just a nice kind of dark taupe greenish color, and it has that Banff Lake Louise tag in the front. Everyone loves some classic mountain wear. Yeah, the brand is like a no brand. I think it's just something that would be sold in a gift shop, and it is a size small. Super cute. We love Banff. Banff's one of our favorite places to go. Lake Louise was like one of our home mountain, not necessarily home mountain, but it was like definitely a mountain that we always used to go to. We have kind of switched to going to a couple other places and more just because it just is so busy there lately. It's been crazy. Next up is this cute sweater, and I liked it even more. So it's a size small, but I liked it even more because it has Saskatoon embroidered on the bottom, and that is where I live. That's where we live right now. And it's fleece, it's very outdoors-ish. Everything is kind of embroidered on. So some spruce trees, pine cones, a bear. And the back has some trees on it. And I haven't decided, see there's the trees. I haven't decided if I'm going to get rid of this or keep it just because of the Saskatoon embroidered into it. But I don't know, like there was so many fleeces this time. I was shocked. I don't know if you saw my cart. I'm gonna like pop a picture up right here. This was literally my cart the other day for my thrift haul. It was crazy. And good prices, really good prices. Next up, this is a Canada Vintage Board Doctor fleece. I don't know if you remember Board Doctor brand, but they like were putting out snowboard wear when snowboarding kind of was just coming out. They always had kiosks. Well, where I'm from, they always had a kiosk in the mall, and it was cool to have a Board Doctor jacket. So when I saw this one and it's pink, I love vintage fleeces. I usually toss these into our Etsy store and they do really well and they sell pretty quick. And it's pink, which is a trendy color, everyone. Pink is like any season, any time of the year, any year. It's just like a classic color. And dusty pink, even better. And this is it for the clothes. So I got this, what is it? Northern Reflections, kind of green, sagey colored zip up fleece. I've had really good luck with this color of sweaters, and I don't know if it's just like the neutral tone of it, but I saw this and it was a good price, so I thought I would take a chance on it. It has pockets, definitely has that grandma feel to it, but nice and warm and in excellent condition. All right, I'm down to the last couple things. So I have 2 pairs of shoes to share with you guys in this thrift haul. I've never seen a pair of these in the thrift store, which is crazy because I've seen other people thrift them, but they are vintage, chunky heel, lace up, kind of like goth style 90s or early 2000 Bratz shoes. They even have like little studding on them. These ones are a 725 Originals, which would be a Walmart brand, but I don't know, who really cares when it's vintage and it's retro and it kind of hits all the Y2K points. Hey, so cute, soles in excellent condition, and they were super cheap because I'm sure Value Village was like, ew, who would wear these? And I'm like, oh my gosh, I finally found a pair. Okay, lastly, these are not vintage, but I think they definitely have like an old world style. These are Decode boots. They retail for a lot of money. They're kind of like Ms. Moo's. So I did pay up for these a little bit more, but I know they hold value. So they have a beautiful like lace up front, some accenting around the ankle, nice cork heel, good sole, like just beautiful. Beautiful boots. And that's it. That wraps up kind of like the vintage grandma style thrift haul. What do you guys think? Did you like it? Was there any pieces in here that you're like, for sure you would have grabbed, or any pieces that you think you would have passed on? I'd love to hear. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Give us a thumbs up if you dig this. And if you're new here, make sure you tap that subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Enjoy your day. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.